All right. Now that you've customized your quick access toolbar, let's move on to setting up the document properties. Now, document properties are metadata that provide important information about your document. Here you have things like title, the author, the subject. Setting these properties is very crucial for proper document management, especially when working on research papers or academic projects. And let me show you how to do that. If you head over to File and we go to Properties, here you'll see certain tabs: the General tab, the Summary tab, Statistics, Content, Custom. Now, as you can see, there's no information here. It doesn't know yet where this is located, and that's because I didn't save this file. And so perhaps the first thing we should do would be to save this file. And so I'm just going to save this file now. Now, once I'm done saving that file, I can head over back again to File, to Properties, and I would see the properties of the file here. And as you can see, the type of the file is OpenXML. And this is the name of the file. The file was created this date and it was modified this date. This is the size of the file. So those are general things you can know about this file. But then we can edit more properties. And one such property that you probably want to edit would be the summary, where you have the title. So in the title field, this is where you talk about the broader sense of what the title of your document is. This could be the title of your research paper or your project. So in this case, we can say, for instance, we can say literature review on AI applications in healthcare, right? Now, this title will help others to identify the document's content at a glance. Now, if you look at the author field, you can also change the name of author here. So we can have, maybe this is done by Dr. Jane Doe. We can have this way. Another thing we can do here, you can also change fields like the manager, the company, category, etc. Of course, we can also have the subject. Now, for the subject field, this might be a specific research area or topic. So it could be something like, so the subject here could be maybe artificial intelligence in healthcare, right? We can also change the author, and we can have Dr. Jane Doe there for the author. For the manager, we can also change that if we want to, but those are pretty much optional. Another very important one here is the keywords. Now, here in the keywords, if you're writing a paper on artificial intelligence, for instance, you might want to enter keywords like AI, machine learning, healthcare. Those are the keywords we have there in that document. But essentially, keywords are particularly useful for making your document more searchable. So when people are searching for that, for people who are reading something on this kind of topic, it's much easier to find your paper. Now, in addition to the summary tab, we also have this statistics tab. And what the statistics tab shows, it tracks the document creation and modification details, such as the number of revisions. As you can see, the revision number is just 1. You have the total editing time. You have when it was created, when it was modified. Now, there are other things you can also do here. Let me note that this information here is automatically updated as you work on your document. So you don't need to do anything here under statistics. It gets automatically updated for you. Now, for the content, you don't need to do anything here. Custom, well, if you want to include anything else like the client, the date completed, things like that, you might go ahead to do that here, right? But now that I am done with the title, like I said, the most important things are the title, the subject, the author, and if there are more than one, just delimit them using comma. And so if you have two authors here, you can maybe Dr. John Doe and Professor Joe John Doe. You know, this is just an example, right? And this. So once you're done with everything here, you can just click the OK button. And so that helps you to save your document properties. Now, setting up document properties not only helps you with organization, but also ensures that your document is properly attributed and easily identifiable. And this is especially important when you're sharing your work with other collaborators or you're submitting it for publication. And so now that we've set up the document properties, let's move on to the next step, using and customizing styles to maintain consistent formatting throughout your document. Let's dive right into that. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.